My name's Phil, I'm a product trainer for Medifab. A little about myself, I've been in the industry for close to 30 years. In that 30 years I've specialised in mainly custom seating. So everybody that needs a multi-profile backrest and cushion. So what inspired me to join Medifab is I've had a professional connection with Medifab for close to 25 years. And in that 25 years, I've seen the company grow, their professionalism grow as a whole, and I think their Shaping Better Lives philosophy is something that is at my core values as well. I've seen that how these products affect the clients and their daily lives, and to be part of such a professional team is an absolute honour for myself. One of my goals of becoming a product trainer for Medifab is to educate people on the customization that Specs offers. Specs products offer a full range of equipment, but Specs also does a customization section as well. So if you need something that's a little bit out of the norm, Specs Custom can do that. If you need a one-off piece of equipment, and when I say one-off, I mean something that is not commercially available, Medifab has the Artisan division, and the Artisan division can manufacture, design, make any custom items to suit manual chairs, power chairs, and shower commodes. So I describe myself as quite a relaxed person. I am certainly passionate about Specs seating and Specs products, and I love it when people just ask me questions and that I can answer and inform them to make their life a lot easier regarding their Specs journey. I like people to be involved in the training, to pull things apart, put things back together, to see how fundamentally they work. I think by understanding how they work, it gives you a better understanding of how they will work for your client. Yeah, one of the parts I'm really passionate about is the custom side of seating. It's really drawn me, and I think I've been drawn to that through my previous life as an engineer, and I love the challenge of multi-profile backrests where everything is different, nothing is the same. So it pushes you to be better and to get better results for your client.